How to block senders in AOL Mail. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually block senders on the AOL Mail app. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the AOL Mail app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in AOL Mail, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the AOL Mail app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. The very first step is to simply come to the inbox tab from the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Once you come to the inbox tab, you'll be able to see a list of all the mails you have received. Now you have to understand that on AOL, how it works is that there is no way you can actually block the senders from the application. I also tried this on my browser, but the option simply wasn't there. Instead, what they suggest us is that we simply move the inbox or that particular mail to our spam folder, and in future we will stop receiving mails from those people and it will be automatically moved to spam. So what we will do is we will simply just go ahead and then long press on any of these mail over here and select the people that you want to actually block. Once you've selected the people over here, just tap on the three dots which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll see all these options. You want to make sure to mark this email as spam. So just go ahead and tap on the spam button. As you tap on the spam button, that particular email has been marked as spam. Now what happens is that whenever you receive similar mail from the future, it will be automatically moved back to the spam folder. Now if you want to locate the spam, and if you want to undo the changes, then that's also very simple. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon which is see on the very top left side of the screen, and over here you want to go to mail folders. As you go to mail folders, here you want to simply select the option called spam, and once you select spam, you'll see that particular mail which is just moved to spam. What we will do is we will just long press on it and we will select move button over here, and we'll select move to inbox. But unfortunately, this is the only way to work around it. I don't know why AOL made it so complicated, but this is simply it. We hope the video helped you and at least gave you some insight on how this actually works. If it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.